And welcome back. I'm Karen, or you can call me Mom. And today we are going to make a fried egg. One fried egg, and we are going to use the mini dash griddle. As you can see, it's pretty small. It's about the size of my hand. It is a 4-inch griddle. Works exactly the same way as the 8-inch griddle. You turn it on by plugging it in, and you turn it off by unplugging it. So let's get cooking. Okay, so I just plugged it in, and I'm going to spray it. You can see the light. If I cover it up, yeah, I'm going to spray it with some butter spray. You can actually use oil if you like oil, like coconut oil. You can use ghee if you want. Anything. And if you like olive oil, use olive oil. But today I'm using the butter spray to make my egg. And it should be warmed up in about 2 minutes. Oh, all right, the light just went out. It's kind of hard to tell. It's ready to go. I'm going to crack my egg. I'm using a brown egg. It doesn't matter if it's a brown egg or a white egg. And on the griddle goes. And I like to season my eggs first rather than later. And we'll check on it in about 1 minute to see how it's doing. And remember to only touch the handle. All right, I'm going to show you. While we're waiting, I have a little container of avocado. You can buy an avocado, but you would have to mash it for what I am about to do. I am actually going to make avocado toast, and for some reason my toaster decided to toast the toast like this. But this is very easy to store. I don't believe I bought it refrigerated, but I pulled it out of the refrigerator just now because I like mine kind of cold. And they don't cost very much. Like I said, you don't have to buy anything to mash your avocado with. All right. And they're not very expensive. All right, it's been 1 minute and I'm gonna open it up. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna attempt to flip this over. I'm not sure if it needs it so much. I don't think it actually needs it. It feels cooked. It feels soft, it feels cooked. All right, I'm gonna unplug this to turn it off. Get my avocado on my toast. All right. It is done and it is hot, so be careful so you don't hurt yourself. And there you go. You have breakfast ready to go. In about, I'd say, it took about 3 minutes to make that. 2 minutes to heat the griddle up, 1 minute of cooking on the griddle. However long it takes to make toast, which is not long at all, and spread some avocado on it. So until the next time, cheers. And let me know if you want me to make anything else.